Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Apple. It is time for another update, and quickly on the long time frame. We are tracking a very bullish scenario here that has a very large series of 1-2 setups, but I can't even say that this could be unrealistic or something, because in this case it actually delivered and continues to deliver. But regardless, here on the long time frame, we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then another 1-2 setup here, and then within this straight parabolic movement to the upside, we have a series of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setups. And then, yeah, this could be the first third wave to the upside. And actually, if I look here on the shorter time frame on the daily, I could even argue that this is not the actual third wave and that we still have another 1-2 setup here, and then we get a third wave up, fourth wave down, and then another fifth wave to actually complete this wave 3. And this is in fact what we have the support zone drawn for on the chart. And if we manage, or yeah, let's say managing to get another top directly in the fifth wave here would really rather convince me to reset this wave 3 top here and still be looking for the same wave 4. Now at the moment both scenarios are still possible, where this is the entire third wave, or the other one where this is a 1-2 setup and then this is the third wave, a fourth wave done, and then a fifth wave to actually complete this larger third wave. And I'm doing that and considering that because in the other interpretation, especially, not because we don't have enough waves, we could make that work, but in the other interpretation, we actually wouldn't have even gotten to here a wave 4 support zone. And this way, considering another 1-2 setup in that area, allows us to have actually reached the first level of support. And regardless of that, the support zone for this interpretation starts at the $169.7 level and extends down to the $105.4 level. Now I find the likelihood that we actually fail to hold this support zone very unlikely, but I would really like the opportunity to get an entry still if we still manage to head down within a deeper correction in this wave 4. Now, so far, we are tracking two interpretations here. The white scenario, let me actually make this green, makes more sense, but we have the green interpretation for the idea where we are still within the correction of the wave 4, and here we had an A wave down, a B wave up, and then we are looking for a C wave to the downside. Now, to be honest, this movement to the upside that started here still has a lot of chances to actually transform into the fifth wave that we would be tracking overall, and it would be pretty difficult. It has a lot of structural support as well, that it would allow it to find support in the area that we have even here for a 1-2 setup and manage to form the next movements to the upside. But we still need to be quite careful, because we can get lost within such large structures, and I'm trying not to provide too many counts to overload you. And in that idea, we are tracking here in green an ABC pattern here. That would be ideal, an ideal correction. An ideal correction would have also been where this wave 4 bottomed here, but I also don't like this movement to the upside very much that we formed. It only really allows either for an ABC pattern or a double 1-2-1-2 setup. So this movement cannot be the third wave. Now, based on the sell the rumors that we got yesterday, ever since the iPhone launch, we are quite likely in a complete movement here. It is still possible to find another 4 or 5 here to actually complete it. It is a diagonal pattern after all, so this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I do want to be prepared for the idea that this entire movement could have been complete, and track mainly the support zone for a wave 2. But if you are interested for an entry within a wave 4 for a possible fifth wave to the upside, although yeah, it's not the most reliable setup, I can provide you that idea. But firstly, for the wave 2, we would be looking for a correction within the area between the $222.5 level down to the $204 level. A break below this level of support would actually be not the worst necessarily. We are very likely to find support in this area, at least for a temporary reversal, if not more. But yeah, it would indicate that we would have to shift back to the idea that this is an ABC movement, and yeah, we could still be looking for a diagonal that could be forming overall to the upside, but the likelihood would rather shift towards the green interpretation in that case, and I would be focusing on a C wave to the downside. Now, as I was saying, if you really are interested in the idea that this is 1, 2, and then this is a third wave up, fourth wave down, and then a fifth wave up here, you can track the support zone. Let's see, this would be for yellow, and that would be a wave 4, also the 61.8% retracement. So the support zone for such a wave 4 is between the $231 down to the $216 dollars level, and the break below that would really make me consider that yeah, this scenario is becoming very unlikely. And for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.